let EC2 do it. EC2 user, that's right. Let this user perform the task. You know what the task is? To make Joe a sudo, so that Joe will not be the one to perform the task. All right, so the command is sudo
user mode.
Okay.
AG.
I hope you guys are following this just for revision so that you, all right? Then the user Joe to the group will. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Will.
No, we are not using the will. We should be using Joe. We're trying to add to group Joe.
Is it X?
Oh, okay. Not yet. So sudo user mode add to will
Before Joe.
Oh, Joe. Okay.
Yeah, take note. Yeah. All right, it's good to make mistakes so that you know how to do it. And all right, so now that Joe is a sudo, which is confirmed by ID Joe, because it's not Joe that is logged in, so we have to put Joe in front. Otherwise, without that, it will be giving us the ID of EC2. All right, so for Joe is a sudo. Good. All right, so EC2, you can go now and let Joe take over. So switch user to Joe. And what's Joe's password?
Delete 2022.
Correct. All right, Joe is in charge now. So let Joe do the work. So the work is to create a user and make that user a member of Joe group. So to create a user, Joe will say sudo user add Dave. All right, what's your password?
Delete 2022.
All right. So is Dave created? Well, by way of revision, let's quickly find out. We know it's there, but just it will be cat Etsy, then password. Yeah, Dave was created 1002, and then that was created for Joe. Okay, cool. So let's clear. Then now let's make Dave a member of the Joe group. All right. So the command is sudo user mod, just like you gave me the last. In fact, let's use that just like that one. It wasn't Joe that entered it. Okay. So the command is sudo user add -ag
user mode
to the group. So user mod. Okay. User modify mod, correct?
Yes.
All right. So user modify
Will
Joe this time.
Yeah.
And who is the user?
Dave.
All right. That's good. So that is
what did that do again?
That added the user Dave to the group Joe.
Okay.
All right. So now let's test and see if all of this makes sense. So ls -la. What are we? What are we? Okay, where permission is denied because Joe is attempting to work in somebody else's folder. Yeah. All right. So let's go to Joe. What's the command? cd. All right. So Joe is now in Joe. So we should be good. So what's the command? ls -la. Now look at the file. All right. So that is the file. So we want to test Dave. We want to log in as Dave and see if we can edit this file. File 1, because from what we see here, like already explained, only want to use this criteria, so to speak, to access that. So we already make Dave a member of this group. All right.
Yeah.
We want to test this. Is it working? All right. Let's quickly test it. I hope you understand the problem.
Yes.
By this page, we are working together so that you get the operational perspective to this. So it's not just running command. We're now seeing how these commands used, wherever are they relevant. All right, everyone here? Okay, so let's do it now. So switch user to Dave.
I thought you needed to add password for Dave.
Okay, I thought we didn't do that. Okay, let's do that. Thank you. So sudo password Dave. All right, new password. Let's use the same password. Daily 2020. Yeah, daily 20. All right, that's good. All right, so clear screen so everybody can see. Yeah. All right. Now that we've added password, now let's handle the baiting over to Joe. How do we do that? Which user to
Dave.
All right. What's Dave's password to?
delete.
Awesome. So we are Dave now, but we are still working in Joe's directory. So this is the test. Usually we want to go to Dave's directory by typing cd, but this time we are staying in Joe's directory, and then we are attempting to work in Joe's directory because we are a member of that group. Okay, let's see. So ls - okay, yeah, we don't have access to the whole. I understand that because of that difference. But let's go straight to the file. We know that the file. So let's say, how do you want to access the file? The best way would be VI, right? Let's VI the file that we already know is inside Joe. What's the name of that file? File 1. Ideally, you should say no, you do not have permission to access the file in somebody else's directory. So let's see. You did not see. Oh, you say so. Permission denied.
Permission denied.
Yeah, so what's the problem? Let's see. Control. Q. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Let's
see the out of Joe completely.
So sudo what's the name of that file? Did you get that name right? Is it file 1?
Yeah,
File 1.
So that name was right. Okay, so we have read and write permission. Okay, so cat file 1. And where's file 1? We didn't give the, okay, I think that was the problem. Where's file 1? File 1 is in
home/Joe.
Joe, yeah, Joe. Okay.
Space.
Okay, let me get that.
I think we need space before.
Yeah. Let me get back to that file and find out what the problem is. So switch that to Joe. Joe is daily 2020. I didn't get that right. We choose that to Joe, daily 2022. All right, so we're in Joe now. ls minus la to file 1. File 1. Okay, so file 1 is there. And what is the print working directory? So this is home Joe. All right, so cat home Joe file 1. I just typed. So there's nothing inside. Okay. We didn't put something inside.
Something is inside. Not anything will do. There's space between.
Oh, okay. Just anything. Okay. Yeah, it's there. Okay. So now we know that now we have this part to copy. Okay. We'll not clear the screen so that I can copy that. Now let's switch that to Dave. Dave. All right. So this is Dave now. All right. So, okay. As somebody was saying, I think let's get out of Joe. Okay. Yeah, let's get out of Joe. That person was right. So we are now working from Dave. Now, even as we are working from Dave, let us attempt to do this now. I mean, this same thing that gave us results earlier on. Let us do it.
Oh, you're not putting 1.
File 1, right?
Yes.
File 1.
There's still error. You didn't put
the slash.
After
Joe slash file 1.
It doesn't really matter. Sudo password for Dave.
There's a space after file 1. Yeah, take the space after file 1.
Oh,
there we go.
Okay, so Dave is what's going on? Okay, something is missing. Let me try this and then permission denied. Sudo cat. We should be able to view that file at least. Sudo cat.
No, I know the problem. The problem is we added Dave to Joe's primary group. We didn't add Dave to the wheel group.
To the wheel, I was thinking of that too.
All right, so let's identify that problem. I didn't get that, but let's clear the screen and start all over. All right, password for Dave. We don't have that, so Control Z.